Hey, what's up, guys? This is your man Adnan. We are back with another video. Over the past few videos, we've been traveling from San Diego to LA, and from there onwards, we moved to Hoover Dam, and finally, we're moving to our final destination, which is Las Vegas. So, guys, Las Vegas is known as a fun and excitement city. There are casinos, shopping malls, and people love to visit here for gambling, shopping, fine dining, and nightlife. So we were really excited to see the nightlife of Vegas, and we finally ended up entering into a casino, which is one of the famous casinos named Plaza. So we entered on gambling floor, and it's all covered with the gambling machines, and people were going crazy all about gambling. We spent some time there, and then we moved on to adjacent hotel called Venetian Hotel. This hotel is built as a replica of Venice City in Italy. There is a canal flowing in the middle, and there are gondola boats that are paddled in that canal. that's a wrap. If you like our video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.